In this video, I will highlight the website SolveMe Mobiles. This is the first lesson of Unit 6, which is found in the third 9 weeks. This will help cover Standard 11. The benefit of this lesson is allowing students to interact with a visual representation of equations so they can think about the effect that occurs when we add or remove the same object from both sides of an equation. So that is our concept checklist. Understand the effect of adding or removing the same object from both sides of the equal sign, as well as informally solving visual models of equations. Here is the website. So when I click on the website, I'm going to click play. And there's all different sorts of puzzles. They're sorted into 3 levels: Explorer, Puzzler, and Master. You can see some of them require you to be quite masterful. Some of these on Puzzler would be good for your high achievers because they get into the concept of a system of equations because you have 2 unknowns and so you have to set up a system to solve those. We're going to spend some of our time here in the Explorer section. So here I'm just going to click on a couple. We'll kind of talk through them. So what we have here is a balance. So we see that this purple rhombus has the same value as this whole figure over here. And they've told us that each of these are 1. So if this side is 4, then this side also has to be 4. And together this must be 8. So this purple rhombus must be 8. Now when I click submit, if I've gotten the right answer, it's going to give me some positive feedback, and then I can click through. Here they've told me the value of the balance itself. So if I know this is 28, then I know that each side must be 14. Down here in the lower right hand corner they have a pen tool so you can annotate on the screen. So if I select one, I could label this as 1, label this as 1, so I know that these 2 together must be 12. So one of these is going to be 6. And so over here I have, this is going to be a 6. So that means these 2 together must be 8. And that makes one of these 4. Now when I click back here, I can put in my answer. So this could be 6. This could be 4. Now what would have happened if I would have put these in the, and you see when I put those values in that it's still remaining balanced. If I had put the wrong number in, then it's no longer in check. So you can explore as many puzzles as you would like. And then once you are done exploring, the next part of your task. So we've done step 1. You will visit the website and explore. We're going to try out puzzles from each of the 3 levels. On the shared Google slide in Canvas, you will then choose at least 2 puzzles to add annotations to. Make sure to add your name to your annotation. Then you will use the stickers to add feedback to other people's annotations. For example, thumbs up if you saw it the same way, and a gear of, I didn't think of it that way. So this is what the slide will look like. So here's puzzle number 5. and you will add your annotations to the side. If you want to have a diagram of it where you're crossing through things or marking on it like I did on the slide, I will have these in your required to print packet that you can print off and then add in your snapshot. So here I wrote, I see it as 12 equals 2 triangles because one circle from each side can cancel out. And then I can add thumbs up. I saw it the same way. On this one, this individual was able to write an equation. So 3t plus, I just called it t because they look like teardrops. So 3 teardrops plus 12 would be equal to 24. So there are many different ways that you could annotate on these and see these. So you are going to select some to add your annotations to, and then add feedback to the other participants in the group.